Today, I show you how to update your signature in DocuSign without needing an account. Make sure to like and subscribe for more digital tips. First, open the email containing your DocuSign document. Click the Review Document button in the email to access the signing interface. Confirm your access if prompted. Once you're in the document, click the Sign Here field. This opens the signature options. You have several ways to update your signature. Choose a pre-made style. Draw your signature using your device's touchpad or stylus, or upload an image of your saved digital signature for consistency. After selecting your preferred method, save your changes and check that your new signature appears correctly. Once everything looks good, you can finalize the document. And that's it. You've successfully changed your signature in DocuSign without creating an account, making it easy to personalize or maintain a consistent signature across documents.